I'm Dr. Nidhi Pandya Dave. I'm from Gujarat and a dental surgeon with 5 years of experience in clinical field.
Namrata Kumari from Assam. I have been working as a project PI at Guwahati University just over last 2.5 years. Before that, I was working as a guest faculty for 1 year.
I'm Nevisha Bonapati. I've graduated. I'm a medical graduate.
My name is Sheetal Bhaskar. I'm from Kasaragod, Kerala. I have completed my MSc in molecular biology, and right now I'm doing an internship in drug discovery from Atelier Research.
Myself Vignesh. I completed my MSc in chemistry in 2015. I have joined in a Molecular Connections Private Limited. I have 8 years experience there.
I'm Sharon and I have completed my Masters in Applied Zoology. I have a work experience of about 1 year, 3 months in the academic field, teaching science for high school and middle school students.
Hello everyone, myself Sri Lakshmi. So about myself, I've completed my MSc in microbiology, recently graduated.
Hello everyone, I'm Megha SK. So I am a BTech graduate in biotechnology and biochemical engineering from APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University, Kerala.
Hi, this is myself Kavya. I am an intern of clinical pharmacist at Malareddy Multispeciality Hospital, which is located at Hyderabad.
These classes helped me to develop the essential skills that are highly valued at the workplace. And now I'll talk about Aanchal ma'am. I'm an introvert. I'll focus on the things and environment. Then only I can be comfortable talking and giving my opinions. So from the first or second class, Aanchal ma'am, you made it so easy for me to communicate that it was so approachable that okay, I can give my opinion, I can tell my things, I can communicate. So yeah, I'm really thankful to you for that my confidence was boosted up because of how you approached us in the class. So I'm really thankful to you for that.
I have improved personality, and I have learned some awareness how to be professional in our work field areas, because previously I was in research field that was completely different, and now I want to move to the corporate sector. And overall experience, I want to share that first day when I attended this session, I had no idea what I'm going to learn, but I must thank you, ma'am, to guide me for self-development concept and critical thinking ability concept. And you have really developed one more thing, that creativity mind.
My overall experience with the sessions have been great. I've learned so many new things, and also I appreciate how well the time was managed in these sessions. Like, it starts on point and it ends on time as well. So that is something I appreciate. So thank you for respecting our time. Hopefully we respected yours. So that is one thing that I really loved about our sessions.
Everything is new for me because I'm a medical graduate, so I don't know anything about corporate world. But every day was like very interesting to start with. Every session was interesting to start with. Even though we were following everything, all these things we were following in our like hospital setups also, but we don't know what we are following, like this discipline and all. We don't know what it is exactly. But when we were in sessions, I was in sessions. I started to know. Okay, this we should be like this. We should be like this. We should talk like this. Every day, every time I want to learn new things. This session made it like that. Like, I'm very satisfied with this session.
It's been a memorable experience. I've never attended any soft skills or anything. This has been one memorable journey I would like to cherish. Soft skill, right from writing an email, how you have to talk, how you should keep your hand, your dress. Miss Aurora has done a wonderful job, and I'll tell you, it is a gift. We might pay any amount of money, but to hear all this from somebody who is, telling you for your betterment, it is actually a good, very, very good platform that all of you have got. Remember everything she said, it will really help you.
First time I'm having an interaction in a soft skill classes, so there was a lot of things I didn't know.
I have told about the social media, and ma'am asked so many things. I can't forget that. Those are all good experience and good interaction with.
Really good at what you do, and I really like your sessions, because at 9 o'clock I don't think I would be awake to listen to such sessions, but I really made time in spite of having a baby in my arm and still making notes and trying to listen to you.
I was really surprised when that topic came because I had not expected that topic would come in the session, and I was really surprised. And I really liked that. I would remember it always. And also the activities, everything which you made us do, it was really fun. I would never forget your face, your smile. It would definitely come in front of me whenever, I just remember your name.
I have attended a lot of online interactions during my college days as well, but I have never ever switched on the mic or camera to express myself or put forth my thoughts. But here I am very comfortable. I don't know why. You have made us very comfortable, and also you even appreciate us for the minute things.
There's so much that I've learned. It's like you did mention, before making any decision, you're supposed to think why you're taking this. So on a personal note, that did create an impact. And yeah, this did make a great impact on me, the knee-jerk reaction. I'm someone who's pretty obvious, I'll just go tell anyone anything bluntly, and later I'll think, why am I doing this? So this did create an impact. I did calm down. My friends did observe this into me. I did go tell her, see, I calmed down. I did not react this way to one of my friends. So this again created impact. Yeah, overall, I could say, not just professionally, I tagged along with a motivational speaker also who did help me on a personal note.